हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू मैग्नेटिक्स। बेटा आज हम करेंगे इंग्लिश लिटरेचर में पोएट्री इन द एज ऑफ रिवाइवल पार्ट 2। सो categorization of poets of the age of revival. The poets of the age of revival are described into three categories. तीन categories में इनको divide किया गया है: English Chaucerians, Scottish Chaucerians and New Court poets. So English Chaucerians. English Chaucerians were a group of 15th and 16th century poets. ये उस टाइम के poets थे जो 15th और 16th century के poets हुए, whose works were influenced by Geoffrey Chaucer, और Geoffrey Chaucer के works से influence होकर इन्होंने अपने works लिखे। इंग्लिश चौसेरियंस के नाम बेसिकली पेपर में यही पूछा जाता है कि कौन कौन से इंग्लिश चौसेरियंस थे इनमें से जो ऑप्शन दिए हुए हैं, बस इसमें से और ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं आता। लेकिन फिर भी हर एक चौसेरियन का, इंग्लिश चौसेरियन का एक ब्रीफ अकाउंट मैंने दिया हुआ है। थॉमस हॉकलीफ, जॉन लिडगेट, स्टीफन हॉब्स, जॉन स्केलेटन, अलेक्जेंडर बार्कले, जॉर्ज एशबी, ऑसबर्न बॉकेनहम, जॉर्ज रिप्ले, थॉमस नॉर्टन, हेनरी ब्रैडशॉ। थॉमस हॉकलीफ ये चौसर के कंटेम्प्रेरी थे एंड his first work was Letter of Cupid. It was published in 1402 and next poem was La Male Regale. It was autobiographical poem. John Lydgate was a Benedictine monk and his important works were The Troy of Book, The Siege of Thebes, The Fall of Princes. स्टीफन हॉब्स वॉज अ पोएट एंड कोर्टियर। ये एक पोएट भी थे और कोर्टियर भी थे। इन्होंने हेनरी सेवेंथ ऑफ इंग्लैंड को सर्व किया था एज अ कोर्टियर एंड ही वॉज एजुकेटेड एट ऑक्सफोर्ड एंड अपनी शार्प मेमोरी के लिए काफ़ी जाने जाते थे। वर्क है इनके मोस्ट फेमस वर्क वॉज लॉन्ग एलिगोरिकल वर्क द पास टाइम ऑफ प्लेजर एंड मेन थीम वॉज एजुकेशन एंड पिलग्रिमेज ऑफ द नाइट। John Skeleton was one of the most prominent of early Tudor poets and satirists, studied at Oxford University, and important works थे इनके Satire of Court, The Bow of Court was a political and historical allegory. Alexander Barclay was a poet and priest, studied in Oxford, and important work was The Ship of Fools. George Ashby was an English civil servant and poet, better known as a writer of political verse, and his important works were wrote a poem when he was in prison. जब वो prison में थे उन्होंने एक poem लिखी थी George Ashby Complaint of a Prisoner in Fleet. Wrote long poem Active Policy of Prince. Osborne Bockenham was an English poet, best known as an author of verse collection entitled Legends of Holy Women, consists of 13 legends of holy maidens and women. George Ripley was an English writer and alchemist. He studied in Italy for 20 years. Work The Compound of Alchemy. Thomas Norton was a poet and alchemist, best known for his work Ordinal of Alchemy. Henry Bradshaw was an English poet, wrote Latin treatise De Antiquitate, Magnificent Urbis Sestrici. Thank you.